Hello guys, today I'm super excited to show you this new product that I received, that it's a mold stain cleaner and it's a deep cleaner. So I'm going to be trying it and then I'm going to show you. Okay guys, when you open the box we can see the user manual, that it's very important to read it because here it says how much time you need to leave the gel doing the effect. And then it says also to use the gloves that it comes here inside. And well, it comes this little pot and another two, well, like a this one to close it. And then we have also this little one, okay? And it's very important to use it because like you can see when you open it, it's like a gel, okay? So this one, it will helps to clean very well the surface. Okay guys, I already put it and I'm going to be putting in this super dirty part that you can see. It's like a type of gel. Okay, so I'm going to put a lot in this part and I'm going to leave it for about 3 to 8 hours. Okay, I'm going to leave it like that. And well, I recommend you to read very well the instructions to know how to use it. Okay guys, I already leave the product like in about 3 hours and I have this one to take them off. I already have it like a little bit wet, but I want to show you the effect it has in 3 hours. So I'm going to be removing it all. Okay, look how well it's a little bit more clean. I think that if I leave it more time it will be better. But let's see this side how it will looks. Let me remove all the thing it has here. Well, it looks super incredible. For leaving it 3 hours, remember that the product it says to leave it from 3 hours to 8 hours. And well, I think it do a very good effect that you can see. If you can remember this part, it was like orange and right now it's a lot of difference from the first time. So I hope you like a lot this product